In this video, I'm going to show you how you can bet on the existence of aliens on Polymarket. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. But before starting, I want to let you know that Polymarket is currently running a special offer. So if you sign up using the referral link I will leave in the description below, you will get a bonus on your first deposit if it's of at least $20. So I recommend you to deposit $21 or more, and this way you will get the bonus of free cash directly on your wallet. So you just need to go to Polymarket and deposit money. If you haven't done that already, you can use crypto or cash. You have a lot of different payment methods available. Then go to the search field and search for aliens, and you will find different type of bets you can choose. So for example, we can bet on if we think that United States will confirm that aliens exist by a specific date. So let's say we think that they will confirm the existence of aliens before December 31. We can click right here and we will buy different stocks or shares of this bet. So once you buy, you can go to your portfolio and then open orders, and you should find your bet open right here. And we can cash out whenever we want, or we can wait for that specific date. So the bet will close, and if we win, we will get the money, and if not, we will obviously lose that money. Then if you want to withdraw, you can just click here and select the token or the coin where you want to get the money, paste your address right here, and withdraw your winnings. So that's it. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.